Hello everyone, welcome to numerical series of electronics device. And today our numerical problem is for the transistor shown in the figure. Find the value of R1 and RC. Assume IE equal to 2 milliampere, VB equal to 0.3 volt, RE equal to 1 kilo ohm, and R2 equal to 10 kilo ohm, and VCE equal to 10 volt. We have to find the value of R1 and RC. This is R1 and this is RC. We have to find this both value of resistance. And we know Vb equal to Vbe plus IERE, that is Vb 0.7 plus 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 1 into 10 to the power 3, that is Vb equal to 2.7 volt, but Vb equal to Vcc into R2. This is voltage divider. This is the formula of voltage divider. Vcc into R2 upon R1 plus R2. Then 2.7 R1 plus 27 k equal to 200 k, that is R1 equal to 200 minus 27 into 10 power 3 upon 2.7, that is 64.07 kilo ohm. This is the value of R1, and another value we have to find the value of RC also, again applying KVL in the output side. Then 20 equal to IC RC plus BCE plus IE RE, then RC equal to 20 minus 10 minus 2 upon 2 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is RC equal to nearly equal to 4 kilo ohm.